Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to become a sushi chef. This path demands immense dedication and a deep respect for the culinary art. You'll embark on a journey of rigorous training, often spanning many years, under the guidance of a seasoned master. It's a commitment to mastering precise techniques and understanding the delicate balance of flavors. The apprenticeship typically begins with humble tasks, like meticulously cleaning and preparing the kitchen. You'll spend countless hours perfecting rice preparation, which is considered the soul of sushi. Observing your master's every move is crucial, as is practicing your knife work on vegetables for hundreds of hours before touching any fish. Mastering core skills is paramount. This includes developing incredibly precise knife skills for filleting and portioning fish with zero waste. You must also gain a deep understanding of different fish, their quality, and how to prepare them. Perfecting sushi rice, with its delicate balance of flavors, is another critical step, alongside forming nigiri and rolling maki. Becoming a true sushi chef is a lifelong commitment, often requiring 5 to 10 years of intensive training. Even after achieving the title, the learning never stops. You'll continuously refine your techniques, deepen your understanding of Japanese culinary traditions, and cultivate the patience and discipline essential for this revered profession. It's a journey of constant growth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.